In this video, I'd like to show you another simple gadget, a fishing ball maker. It's a pretty simple gadget, and well, in my case, as I love float fishing, I need to feed the fish approximately every half an hour in order for it to stay at the place where I fish. And that is where this tool comes in handy. So there isn't much to talk about it. It is made from plastic. It has these two parts, and those two plastic buttons on the top and on the bottom. So there isn't anything else to tell about it. Well, just the only thing that the one that I've got in my hands, it does the balls around 14 millimeters. So the balls will be pretty small, but again, I'm used to do them by hand because to me it's pretty easy and fast. But in any case, I just wanted to show you that this gadget exists, and if you wish, you can actually buy one of these, as it is pretty cheap, effective. So without any further ado, let's just demonstrate how it works. I've already made a fishing attractor, and I'm gonna basically show you how it works. So two parts, one shorter, the second one is longer. So you take the longer part, you take the fish attractor, put it inside. Don't put like too much, just yeah. So as you can see, I've put the fish attractor inside of this ball maker. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the smaller part, then basically put it inside. And now what you need to do, you need to press this plastic button on the longer part, like so. And as you can see, the smaller part comes out. Now the only thing which is left is just to take out the smaller part, and here you go. A pretty simple ball that you can feed the fish with. So let's just do a couple of more and we can finish with this video. So I'll just do 3 of them because it's pretty simple and there is no point for you to stay any longer. So that's gonna be the second one. And I'll do one more. Pretty easy, fast. This gadget is pretty cheap. I'll put the links in the description. And as you can see, all is pretty simple and fast. But again, I don't say that you need this gadget, but well, if you wish, you can buy one for yourself. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.